SLS, that is Securities Lending Scheme. Now we will talk about what it is. So Securities Lending Scheme is being introduced by the SEBI in 1997, and within this scheme, sir, this scheme is being prescribed by SEBI for the purpose of facilitation of the lending and borrowing of securities, right? Now, sir, in this mechanism, securities lending scheme, there are three parties involved. That is, sir, lender, borrower, and approved intermediary. Now, sir, the lender lends the securities and the borrower borrows the security. Now, and these two are being associated with this approved intermediary. This lender and borrower is not directly related, right? And so these lender and borrower is having a contract with the approved intermediary, right? So this lender gets a lending fee, and this right, okay, and within this scheme, SLS scheme, so the lender will get the lent securities again back from the borrower after a specified period as per the agreement between the lender and the borrower. And also, if there is any accrued benefits to those securities, that means any kind of bonus issue and right issue and such other things, other benefits, so then that benefits accrued to those securities should also be revert back to the lender. So this is what securities lending scheme, right? And also now let's talk about the taxability of this securities lending scheme. So whether this transaction involves applicability of GST or not. So, sir, as per the provisions of the CGST Act, sir, and as per the circular issued by the GST Council, sir, this is taxable. So how it is taxable? Because as per the provisions of the Act and the circulars issued by the department, securities are not covered within the definition of supply, right? Within the definition of goods and services, as there is no disposal of securities. If there is a disposal of securities, then this would not be considered as a supply of services or goods and thus not taxable. But sir, now here under what is happening, that sir, the lender is getting back the securities lent. So that's why there is not a disposal of securities, and thus department says that sir, this is a taxable supply, and this is a supply of services, and sir, thus it is taxable as per the applicable rates of GST.